Hello all, welcome to Pamita AI World. My name is Pamita Singh Kandari. So in this video, I will continue the remaining part of data smoothing. Fine. So all the English medium students who are studying data pre-processing through me, of course from my channel Pamita AI World. So today is the topic of data smoothing. So under data smoothing, I have already taught you the this part. If you remember the last video, I taught you this thing, data smoothing, and under data smoothing I was teaching you by equal frequency bins and equal width. I have taught you, and I have already told you that in your day-to-day life, when you see this type of thing in while you pay the payment, or it is somewhere called a barcode or QR code, I don't know exactly what does this thing call, but this is this process is happened because of this data smoothing done by software engineer or data scientist. Fine. So now we'll come to the next part of by means and by bin boundaries, what that is called. So I have to teach you this thing now in this video, by means and by bin, by data smoothing of the data by means. By means means smoothing of the data by means under data smoothing. So I'll teach you this thing in my this video. So this will come under data smoothing. Data smoothing. So under data smoothing, I'll teach you by means and by bin boundaries. By bin boundaries. So what happens? Smoothing of the data by means. Smoothing of data by means. So under this thing, what happens? I'll give you one example. I'll take that example of a general store. Fine. Where the price of different items is being given to you or to data scientist in the form of data. So let's suppose here the data is randomly, it is given to you, it is 8, 16, 9, 15, 21, 24, 30, 26, 27 and 30. So here is this thing, it is the data, it is unsorted data provided to you, unsorted data. So in this unsorted data, first we have to, what we will do, we will sort this data, sort the above data. When we'll sort above data, what will it produce after sorting? What will it come? It will come like this: 8, 9, 15, 16, 21, 24, 26, 27, 30, and next is, what is this? 34. Where is 34? Here. 27, 30, 34 is here. 34. Fine. This is the data after sorting. I think this is, let's take some dark color because it is not visible to you, I think. So I'll take dark color here. So please pay attention what I'm gonna teach you in by means data smoothing. Okay. So how many values are there in this thing? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Fine. So now what we'll do, we'll divide this number of values upon this thing. I have told you how we calculate the bins. So number of bins, this thing I have told you in my previous video how we calculate this thing. Please check this my previous video where I have taught you about this thing, how to calculate number of bins. So number of values are 12 divided by 3. 3 4 are 12. So number of items in a bin would be how many? 4. Number of items in a bin would be 4. So in when we calculate we have this sorted data 8 9 15 and all, and mean of bin 1 will be first how much, what will be our first bin? Will take 4 items here, 8 9 15 16. So bin 1 is 8 9 15 16. So mean of this bin 1 would be 8 9 15 16 divided by, how we calculate mean? It is very simple, I have already told you. It is divided by 4. So it will be approx 12. Fine. 6 5 11, 11 9 20 28, 28 8 2 2 1 3 4 5 6, 60 upon, it will come 60 upon 4, 60 divided by 4, it will come 12. Fine. So bin 1 would contain all the, we can take, this is the mean of bin 1. So in the place of 8 9 15 16 we will take only mean of that thing. Fine. So this is called data smoothing by means. Now we'll take the second bin, that would contain 21 21 24 26. Fine. So in bin 2 this thing will come 21 plus 21 plus 24 plus 26 divided by, of course, 4. Fine. So what will come? It will produce 23. Fine. 23, 6 4 10, 10 and 1 11, 11 1 12, 2 2 2 4 23. It will come 23. So bin 2 will contain 23 23 23 23. Fine. Now this is for all the students who are learning from me. This is the some kind of assignment or homework for you. Tell me what would contain the bin 3. Bin 3, what will be the bin 3 values would be what would be the values of bin 3? Fine. So please tell me in the comment section. You have to apply this formula, number of items in a bin. I am giving you a hint, and based on this thing just tell me what is the bin 3 contained by the method of by means. Now this is the homework for all you guys who are learning from me. Now we'll come to by bin boundaries. Fine. So how we'll calculate bin boundaries? So before bin boundaries, what happens? We have sorted this data here 8 9 15 16 21. So what we take? Suppose bin 1 contain 8, 9, 15 and 16. These value bin 1 contain. Fine. So what we do in this method, we just keep lower means this value, lower value, and upper value, this value, upper value. We keep these two value as it is. Fine. We don't change these values, but values next to lower value, that is 9. Fine. That is 9, and value near to upper value, that is 15. Fine. These two values get changed according to their lower value, and this will change according to its upper value. So bin 1 would change into like this, according to bin boundaries. Why said boundaries? Who is there on the boundary? Fine. Here 8 is the number of 8 is the value which is near the boundary, and here 16 is the value which is near the boundary. That is why we called it by bin boundaries. Here value near to the boundary, they don't get changed, they remain as it is. They don't change, but the values next to them, they get changed according to their boundaries value. Fine. So 9 is the 9 would change according to its lower value which is at the boundary. So we will 8 would remain same, and 9 would change according to 8. I think there would not be much difference. And 15 is 15 will, what will be the 15? 16, and 16 is like this only. Fine. So now you understand why 15 changed into 16, because it is somewhere near to 16 only. Fine. And it will change according to its upper value which is the nearer to the boundary. So we'll do the bin 2 will take, and what is bin 2? 21, 21, 24, 26. Now you people would think that why we are changing these values like this. I think if you will go through my all the videos what I have taught you in my last all the videos, you would know that we are doing all these things, we are changing all these things so that when we provide our data to the model which will give us the output, that model would not give us back the inaccuracy. Fine. Because model, they just get confused if you will provide the data in a very random way. So just to get the process done very fastly, we data scientists or data analysts, what they do, they just keep all the data very simple way, so that model generate all the output in a very faster manner. Fine. So that is why we are changing this thing here. So 21, 21 and 24, 26. So what is the lower value in the boundary? Lower value is 21 and upper value is 26. Upper value is 26. So 21 would change according to 21, and 24 will change according to 26. So what bin 2 would contain? Bin 2 would contain 21, 21 and 26, 26. This is the thing. Fine. So bin 2 would be 21, 21, 26, 26. Now this is the home assignment for all you guys. What would be the bin 3 according to by bin boundaries? The students who are learning from me and watching continuously, you have to just give me the answer of this bin 3 and bin 3. If you have given me this answer, I think you would be ready to learn the next part, or maybe you would be the upcoming data scientist in the near future. So keep dreaming and keep working, keep hard working, and keep learning, happy learning. This is for all for today's video. Thanks a lot. And yes, of course, for next batch I will provide the application form today only. Fine. Thanks a lot.